go outside. Come on. Okay, come on. Let's go outside. Good girl. Good girl. Okay.
I don't think she wants to go outside, David. You have her leg tied up in there. No wonder she doesn't like going outside with you.
That's fine.
The bottom leg, is it? Is it?
That's not my fucking fault. There we go. Okay. Ready? Come on, let's go outside. Come on. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'll put my shoes on. I'll be right back.
She's getting closer to me. She thinks I'm gonna protect her. Buddy, don't you want to go outside, buddy? Uh-oh, Muddy.
Ready to go outside?
What's going on? Does he want to take you out for a walk? Most dogs like walks.
Okay. Let's go. Ready?
Muddy, don't you want to go outside? Muddy, what's wrong? You don't want to go outside with your dad? What's wrong, honey? Is he trying to make you go outside with him? I know he's such a bad man. You have a hard life, a really hard life.
You realize you're feeding into it. Tell her to go outside.
Come on, let's go outside. Muddy, most dogs like going out for a walk. You don't want to go for a walk? Huh? Want to go for a walk? Come on, let's go outside. Let's go outside, honey. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Go outside.
Come on, let's go.
Go on, Muddy.
Let's go. Come on. If she yelps, it's not my fault.
I'll keep the camera running for a minute.